Hey, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color expert and e-design consultant. Today we're going to look at Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace, one of my favorite white paint colors. So, as far as Benjamin Moore is concerned, this is the whitest white, and it is the whitest white they have. Basically, every paint color has an LRV number, and this tells you how dark or light it is on a scale of 0 to 100, 100 being white. So, Chantilly Lace sits at 92. There are like two other colors that sit higher than Chantilly Lace, but as far as Benjamin Moore goes, this is the whitest white. So if you're looking for a clean, crisp, white look, this will work for you. Now, if you have north-facing light, you might see Chantilly Lace lean a little bit cool, pick up a bit of that gray-blue cast. If you have south-facing light or, say, afternoon western light, it's going to warm up a bit, but it's not going to be overly creamy. Now, when it comes to undertones, Chantilly Lace really is more susceptible to its environment than some of the other whites, some of the softer whites that have a bit more body and weight to them. That's just because it has a higher reflective value, so it's going to reflect more of its surroundings back at you. Now let's do some comparison. Benjamin Moore White Dove, super popular. This is a warm, soft white. Two different approaches, right? So if you have a house from, say, I'm going to say the 1990s, 2000s, they tend to have a lot of products that prefer a slightly warmer, softer white, like Benjamin Moore White Dove, Cloud White, SherwinWilliams Alabaster, that kind of thing. They can't always pull off a white as bright as Chantilly Lace, but it does depend on the products and finishes you have. Let's look at Oxford White. So if you like Chantilly Lace, but it's just maybe a bit stark and clean for you, Oxford White comes off a little bit softer. And I do have color reviews, like videos and blog posts on all of these, so you can check them out if you want to learn more. SherwinWilliams Pure White, not pure white. It's actually a soft white. Its LRV is down, I believe it's 83. So that can really show you the difference between a clean white approach, a soft white approach. And the last one I'm going to show you is one that kicks Chantilly Lace's butt just a wink. And that's SherwinWilliams High Reflective White. This is one of the whitest whites. There's only one white that beats both of these, but it belongs to Bear, and I'll be doing a color review on it at a different time. So High Reflective White is just a bit whiter than Chantilly Lace, but both are really doing the same job. I find High Reflective White can look just, oh, let's see if I can get it going there for you. See the difference there? High Reflective White's just a wink. I'm going to say a wink warmer looking without being yellow. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider visiting my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have over 300 articles and an awesome search function, so you can check out ideas for updating your home on a budget, how to home stage, and tons of paint color reviews. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting.